Welcome dear traders, today is the 18th of Sep 2024, it's 4:39 local time. Tonight we have the FOMC, the interest rates, so market's gonna be cleared out and there will be house cleaning here with the euro dollar. Kissing the order gap zone. Of course I want to take those option strike targets and a bit of short is leaving. However, always take into account the timing. Look, we are just a few hours away from the FOMC. There can be some proper house cleaning. Here you see on our chart. Yes, there's also an MTS below here, but we have an LTS above the price. So in the best case, the smart money would like to do some kind of house clean, take the upper side and take the lower side with a violent move, something like that, if the news allow it. So yeah, I suggest you keep your trading small and wait until this passes. And after, once the dust settles, you look for new setups. Always play defensive on days like that. There can be really drastic moves and you don't want to be kicked out with slippage. All the best. Enjoy trading.